Hey there. Imagine waking up not on Earth, but on Mars. Outside, it's minus 60 degrees Celsius, the sky is red, and instead of fresh air, there's deadly carbon dioxide. What would that be like? Humanity dreams of colonizing space, but where could we actually live? Today, you'll discover 5 places in our solar system where humans might settle in the future. Make sure to watch until the end. The 5th option will surprise you. Mars, the red planet. Mars is the most realistic option for colonization. It's the closest planet to Earth where we could send humans within the next few decades. But could we really live there? The average temperature on Mars is minus 60 degrees Celsius, but at the equator, it can reach up to plus 20 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, meaning you couldn't take a single breath without a spacesuit. Gravity is 2.5 times weaker than on Earth, so you would weigh much less and could take giant leaps. NASA and SpaceX are already working on colonization plans. Maybe in 50 years, there will be the first cities under protective domes. Verdict: very difficult, but possible. Venus, a hellish trap. Venus may seem Earth-like, but it's a true nightmare. The temperature reaches 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure is 92 times greater than on Earth. It would crush you instantly. The clouds are made of sulfuric acid. The only possible way to live there? Floating cities at 50-kilometer altitude, where conditions are more Earth-like. Scientists are even considering this possibility for the distant future. Verdict: living on the surface is impossible, but floating in the clouds? Maybe. Europa, the underwater world. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, is covered by thick ice. But what's underneath? Scientists believe there might be a massive underground ocean, which could even support life. The water is heated by volcanic activity on the ocean floor. Pressure and temperature could be similar to Earth's deep seas. The problem? Jupiter emits deadly radiation, making it impossible to survive without protection. But if we build bases beneath the ice, we could live in an alien underwater world. Verdict: difficult to live there, but definitely worth exploring. Titan, the moon with rivers. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is unique. It has a thick atmosphere, which is rare for moons. It has lakes and rivers, but instead of water, they're filled with liquid methane. The low gravity is so weak that you could fly just by flapping your arms. The problem? It's freezing, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Still, Titan is considered one of the best places for future colonization. Verdict: it's far, but fascinating. Space cities, the future of humanity. What if living on planets isn't the best idea? Scientists propose building giant space stations orbiting Earth, Mars, or even asteroids. These stations could have artificial gravity, farms, and living spaces just like Earth. There are no natural disasters, bad weather, or volcanoes in space, and it would make traveling between planets much easier. Japan and NASA are already working on concepts for such space colonies. Verdict: this might actually be the future of humanity. We're not ready to leave Earth just yet, but it's only a matter of time. Maybe in 100 years we'll have cities on Mars and giant space stations orbiting distant planets. Which planet would you like to live on? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss more exciting videos.